Hey folks, buckle up because AGI might be knocking on our door sooner than we thought. OpenAI's got a new model in the works, codenamed Strawberry. And let me tell you, it's sending shivers down some spines. This bad boy is set to drop this fall. And it's not just another incremental update. We're talking about an AI that could shatter the ceiling of what we thought possible. Strawberry's packing some serious heat, from cracking mind-bending problems to supercharging tools like ChatGPT. So what's the deal with Strawberry? It's OpenAI's latest brainchild, and it's not here to play. We're hearing it can tackle tasks that make current AIs look like pocket calculators. Imagine an AI that can solve math problems it's never seen before, whip up killer marketing strategies, or even nail those tricky word puzzles you waste time on during lunch breaks. Get this. Strawberry apparently solved the New York Times connections puzzle. I know, right? But that's just the appetizer. This AI's got some serious muscle where it counts. We're talking next-level reasoning skills that could revolutionize everything from in-depth research to churning out high-quality synthetic data. So impressive that OpenAI's even showing it off to the big guns in US national security. That should give you an idea of how game-changing this could be. From reshaping business strategies to overhauling supply chains, Strawberry's potential applications are massive. Research, security, you name it, this AI might just flip it on its head. Now don't let the cute name fool you. Strawberry's got a pretty intense origin story. This AI used to go by a much cooler name, Q. That's Q-star for those of us who don't speak tech. And trust me, the name change wasn't just about making it sound friendlier. Picture this, OpenAI's office in total chaos. We're talking heated arguments, emergency meetings, and get this, they even kicked out their CEO, Sam Altman. I mean, what kind of AI causes that much trouble before it's even released? Of course, Altman bounced back like a rubber ball, but the whole fiasco just goes to show how much heat this AI is packing. From day one, it's been under a microscope, with everyone from tech geeks to big shots watching its every move. So what's got everyone's panties in a twist? 2 words. Artificial general intelligence, the holy grail of AI. We're talking about an AI that can think, learn, and problem solve across the board, just like us humans. Sounds cool, right? Well, it's also got a lot of smart people biting their nails. Here's the thing. An AI that's smart and that autonomous is like giving a toddler the keys to a Ferrari. Sure, it might do amazing things, but it could also accidentally drive us off a cliff. The big worry is making sure this super smart AI plays nice with humans and doesn't go off the rails. Now let's geek out for a minute because Strawberry's got some serious brains under the hood. We're talking about an AI that's acing math tests like it's no big deal. Picture this. There's this brutal math test that even makes geniuses sweat. Strawberry? Cruising through with a 90% score. Put that in perspective, GPT-4, the AI everyone's been raving about, only managed a measly 53%. Even its beefed-up cousin, GPT-4o, topped out at 76.6%. So Strawberry isn't just raising the bar, it's launching it into orbit. This AI isn't just a one-trick pony good at crunching numbers. Got some slick reasoning skills that make it way more versatile than the old guard. And get this, can create its own training data. Strawberry's basically teaching itself. Why is that such a big deal? Well, normally, these AIs need to gobble up tons of real-world data to get smarter. But with Strawberry making its own study materials, we're talking about a game changer. It's like having a student who writes their own textbooks and aces every test. Now, imagine this brainiac getting cozy with ChatGPT. Suddenly, your AI assistant isn't just spitting out pre-programmed responses. It's solving complex problems, cooking up strategies, and diving into real-time research like a pro. It's like upgrading from a calculator to a full-blown supercomputer. But hold on to your hats, because OpenAI's not stopping there. They're using Strawberry to train an even more advanced system called Orion. We could be looking at the much-hyped GPT-5 here, folks. The secret sauce? Something called the self-taught reasoner technique. Imagine an AI that doesn't just learn, but teaches itself to think better. It's like having a student who not only answers questions, but explains why their answers are right, figures out where they went wrong, and then rewrites the curriculum to be even smarter next time. Now, before we get too starry-eyed about Strawberry's superpowers, we need to talk about the elephant in the room, AI safety. Because let's face it, the smarter these AIs get, the more we need to make sure they don't go all Terminator on us. OpenAI's been in the hot seat lately, and it's not just because of their fancy new AI. Turns out there's been some serious drama behind the scenes. Almost half of OpenAI's safety team has packed up and left. We're talking a nosedive from about 30 people to just 16. One of the ex-researchers, Daniel Cocotilo, spilled the tea, saying that folks worried about AGI safety were feeling like the unpopular kids at the cool table. Not a great look when you're creating AIs that could potentially outsmart us all, right? But wait, some big shots have jumped ship too. John Schulman, who is basically the safety guru at OpenAI, ditched them for Anthropic, a company that's all about keeping AI in check. And then there's Ilya Sutskever, another big brain and co-founder, who bounced to start his own gig called Safe Superintelligence Inc. Now, OpenAI is trying to do damage control, insisting they're still all about that safe AI life. They're chatting up governments and communities, probably trying to convince everyone they've got this under control. Sure, Strawberry sounds amazing, but at what cost? Are we racing towards a future where AIs are calling the shots and we're just along for the ride? Alright folks, OpenAI's been busy cooking up some seriously cool stuff. First up, they've given ChatGPT a voice makeover. We're talking hyper-realistic audio that's so smooth, you can chat with it like you would with a real person. Can even cut it off mid-sentence. Just like that annoying friend who never lets you finish talking. It's a small tweak, but it's making AI chats feel way more natural and engaging. OpenAI's got a tightrope to walk. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, but they've also got to make sure they're not accidentally creating Skynet. It's all fun and games until the AI decides it doesn't need us anymore, right? And let's not forget, OpenAI isn't the only player in this game. Google's DeepMind is hot on their heels with some math whizzes like AlphaProof and AlphaGeometry 2. Hold on to your hats, folks, because Google just crashed the AI party with not one, not two, but 3 new AI models. First up, we've got Gemini 1.5. Don't let the nerdy name fool you. This compact powerhouse is packing 8 billion parameters of pure AI muscle. It's like the sprinter of the AI world, zipping through data and summarizing long documents faster than you can say TLDR. Businesses, if you need AI that's quick on its feet, this one's for you. Next on the roster is Gemini 1.5 Pro. This bad boy is flexing hard when it comes to handling tricky prompts and coding tasks. Developers, if you're looking to create some seriously smart AI apps, this might be your new best friend. Last but not least, there's Gemini 1.5 Flash. Google's being a bit hush-hush about this one, but word on the street is that it's all about speed and efficiency. It's like they've strapped a rocket to an AI and told it to go wild. Best part? These AI powerhouses are up for grabs right now through Google AI Studio and the Gemini API. So if you're itching to play with some cutting-edge tech, now's your chance. So there you have it, folks. OpenAI, Google, and who knows who else are all vying for that AI crown. You're as pumped about this AI roller coaster as I am? Smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. Thanks for geeking out with me today. Catch you in the next video.